Okay, so I decided to open Gator Grill to get back into the community because I was gone for about 4 years. I opened it up to bring my employees back together that were in different locations due to Hurricane Harvey. Then I ended up wanting to be in the community and do things with the community. That's why I came up with the Gator's Bar and Grill concept to bring locals to a certain area. Okay, on our menu, our Gator bites are very popular. Our Bayou Redfish is one of the main things that people come in for, and our hamburgers. We have a cowboy burger that is very popular. And now we just introduced a creme brulee that's pretty much selling out most days. And then we also have our Monday through Friday specials. Every day is a different special. The Later Gator is very popular. That's our signature drink for Gators. And then we have the Bloody Mary that is infused with Texas tail. It's a bunch of vegetables, and we infuse Texas tail in that drink.